Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to do a quick summary. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Tron is a Layer 1 blockchain operating system developed by the Tron Foundation. It was launched in 2017 by the founder Justin Sun. The tokens were originally deployed on Ethereum, but in 2018 they migrated their own network. The token symbol is TRX and can be traded on most crypto exchanges. Tron has a total supply of around 100 billion tokens. At the ICO, the allocations were 15.75 billion tokens to private investors, 40 billion tokens to ICO participants, 34 billion tokens to the Tron Foundation, and 10 billion tokens to Justin Sun's company. Tron was created to provide full ownership rights to makers of digital content. The main goal is to help content creators obtain higher rewards for their work. Tron supports smart contracts, various kinds of blockchain systems, and dApps. The platform uses the model Unspent Transaction Output, UTXO. Transactions are recorded in a public ledger, where users can track the history of operations. Tron claims the network has capacity for 2,000 transactions per second, significantly higher than Ethereum and Bitcoin blockchains. Anyone can create dApps on the Tron network, offer content, and in return receive digital assets as compensation for their work. The ability to create content and share it openly, without problems such as high transaction fees, is one of the advantages of Tron. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.